Chiang Mai, Thailand. What we have here, this is a surprise delivery. This one came from Airsoft GI, all the way from LA. It beat two boxes, one box from eHobby Asia and another box from Red Wolf in Hong Kong. I ordered this one a couple of days after I ordered those. Red Wolf's usually pretty fast. But let's get down to business. Oh, wrong thing. The MP7 mag is laid right there where I used to keep your knife. Boom. I like it when it does that. Okay, what do we got here? Oh boy, paper. I always love this tactical brown paper. You can never get enough of that. At least it seems like that's what they're saying. Well, let's see, Lancer Tactical. Whew, almost got myself. Sounds like metal. Yeah, what do we got here? I think I got some optic stuff here. In this order, if I remember right. A wrench. Some other kind of little piece. And all the little fitting pieces, screws. Ah! This is for the, it goes like this, for the M14, the Simon M14. Cool. Made in China, just like the gun. I think this is the actual Simon. Yeah, CM number. It says Lancer Tactical, but it's a CM number. Yeah, it's another one of the same. And one of these days, when I get all my stuff together here, not my shit together, I mean all the stuff that I've ordered, all gets here and everything, I'm gonna have to put everything together and do a video review, show everybody what I got. And these are my ISM by NC Star. Yeah, so they're raised scope mounts. Don't bother taking them all the way out of the box. AccuShot. Oh, the scope offset scope mounts. Bought all my M14 stuff in pairs because I got one here now and another one on the way. Different styles. The other one's a SOCOM 16. The one I got here is a totally wood. Okay, so this way I can put it like that to get it closer. Okay, oh yeah. My aim, can you see that? This is the, it says AR riser mount, but I don't, this will raise it up higher because, I have to wear a helmet with a full mask. So I gotta have things raised up and stuff to get the scope closer to my face. Oh, these are some more of those Acme Shot risers. Different brand. Airsoft GI, thank you for your order. There's some more of those risers. I know I got two different kinds. I think one's 1 inch and one the other's 2 inch, or 1.5 inches. Another one of these risers. Okay, this is another one of those offset riser mounts. And some more. And I'm all set. Now I got some for all my guns coming. Anything else in here? No, just paper. All right. So, don't forget to leave a like and a subscribe. And this is White Root Ron out.